Hey there. Today, I'm going to help you outsmart cybercriminals by diving into the world of social engineering. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it's actually just a sneaky way for bad guys to trick you into giving up sensitive information or causing chaos for your organization. And trust me, they're getting really good at it. So let's get you prepared. First up, you need to know how to recognize these social engineering attacks. Imagine you get an email that looks like it's from your boss, asking for your login details. Or maybe a phone call from IT support needing access to your computer. These can be super convincing, but don't fall for it. There are a few common types of social engineering attacks you should watch out for. Phishing is probably the most well-known. It's where you get fake emails or messages that look legit but are designed to steal your info. Then there's pretexting. This is where someone lies to you to get access to privileged data, like pretending to be a colleague or a trusted entity. Next, we have baiting. This one's all about dangling a bait, like free software or a tempting offer, to get you to click a malicious link. And lastly, tailgating. This is where someone follows you into a secure area without proper authorization. Sneaky, right? Now, how do you resist these attacks? Always verify requests for sensitive info, even if they seem to come from someone you know. Check email addresses carefully and be suspicious of urgent or threatening language. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. And if someone's trying to follow you into a secure area, don't be afraid to ask for their credentials. If you suspect you've been targeted by a social engineering attack, report it immediately. Know who to contact within your organization, usually your IT or security team. The faster you report it, the better they can help minimize any damage. Remember, staying vigilant and informed is your best defense against these cybercriminals. So keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to outsmarting those pesky social engineers. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your colleagues. Catch you next time.